wasn't a criminal. He wasn't a hacker. He was a banker, working in one of the world's most powerful financial institutions. And in just 10 minutes, he managed to lose $2 billion. No guns, no robbery, just a keyboard, a screen, and a mistake so massive it shocked the entire world. This is the story of Kweku Adoboli, the man who broke UBS and almost brought down a piece of Wall Street with him. London, 2011. UBS, one of Europe's largest banks, was thriving. Trading desks were buzzing, bonuses were flowing, and at the center of it all stood one young trader, Kweku Adoboli, smart, ambitious, charming, the kind of guy who made millions for the bank before breakfast. He climbed fast. He became the golden boy of the trading floor, trusted, admired, unstoppable. But behind that confidence, he was quietly building a time bomb. Kweku's job was simple: trade Delta One products, safe, boring instruments that mirrored market indexes. No risk, no drama. But safe wasn't exciting. So Kweku started taking bigger bets, hidden behind fake hedges and forged records. He made huge profits at first. Nobody questioned him. Success hides everything. But the truth was, he wasn't investing. He was gambling with billions of UBS's money. Every time he won, he felt untouchable. Every time he lost, he doubled down. His spreadsheets became mazes, his records, smoke and mirrors. He even created a fake account called Umbrella to hide the growing losses. He thought he could fix it before anyone noticed. But that's how every trading disaster starts, with someone trying to cover one small mistake, until that mistake becomes too big to hide. September 14th, 2011. Kweku was on the trading floor when it happened. A system flagged a strange transaction, $2.3 billion gone. Traders froze, supervisors rushed in, UBS's internal alarms went off. Kweku sat still, pale. He whispered, "I think I did something wrong." In a single morning, he erased more than the GDP of some countries. UBS stock collapsed. Headlines exploded worldwide. The $2 billion rogue trader, Kweku Adoboli, was arrested that night. The bank's CEO resigned. Thousands of employees lost bonuses and jobs. The entire trading division was dismantled. One man's hidden trades had broken a global institution. The question everyone asked was, how could this happen again? Because this wasn't new. Decades earlier, Nick Leeson destroyed Barings Bank the exact same way. Fake hedges, false records, the illusion of genius, until the collapse. Kweku wasn't the first rogue trader. He was just the next one in a long line of people who confused luck with skill and ego with power. In court, Kweku cried. He said he never wanted to steal. He wanted to win, to prove himself. He said, "I was trying to make the bank money." The jury didn't care. He was sentenced to 7 years in prison. When he got out, UBS was long gone, restructured, rebuilt, ashamed. The $2 billion mistake wasn't about one man. It was about a system that rewards risk and punishes caution, where traders are heroes when they win and scapegoats when they lose. Every button pressed, every order made, can move billions in seconds. One man, one moment, 10 minutes, $2 billion. This is the price of ego in the age of algorithms.